The flood and flooding that occurred in Serasan, Natuna district paralyzed the activity of citizens and causes hundreds of homes to be flooded. From the video recorded by local residents, this is the condition of Serasan Natuna District, Riau Island, which was hit by flood and landslide on Monday. As a result of this disaster, the activity of citizens is paralyzed due to eruption of access to the road. Drought and floods occurred due to high intensity of rain. As a result of the landslide, residents from the three villages around the disaster area fled to safer places. Meanwhile, the Regional Disaster Response Body Riau Island (BPBD Kepri) immediately sent assistance in form of sembako and logistics for flood victims and flooding on Serasan Island. BPBD Kepri personnel have been deployed on Monday afternoon, along with Kapolres Natuna Group and Bupati Natuna to Serasan, in order to help accelerate handling as well as evacuate victims. In addition to sembako, tents will also be given to victims of flooding and flood on Serasan Island.